guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like button. And today I'm back here with some more Roblox, but this time it's a story. Airplane story. And I don't know it. I already played this like billions of times. So let's see if we can survive and have the same daylight. Okay, what are you guys gonna pick? I want the ones with the persons, okay? I want the one with the persons. Are you guys gonna go there? Okay. Guys, what are you really willing to do? Are you gonna go in there or not? Okay, someone's in here. Come on, just join, guys. I don't want just like 2 people. Okay, there's 3 people. Oh my god, what's wrong with that girl? What's wrong with that girl, guys? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Oh my goodness. So I wonder what my seat is. J14. J14 is not there. Is it here? Okay, it's J. And it's a 14 on it. Oh, I found it. It's right here. I found my seat. Okay. Okay. So let's go look around, guys. Oh yeah, I'm gonna sit here later when it's done, sandwiches, because I know there's gonna be snakes, and I know some of these 4 restrooms are the right ones. So yeah. Ooh, messenger phone. Okay, a code. A code. I don't know, guys, if we can survive or not, but yeah. This might be over. Oh, I don't want to sit. So, stay over there. Can we open these up? Okay, I can't. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna explore the little bit of the plane. Just have some fun over here. Do. No. Oh no! Beep 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 beep. Oh, I was like scared. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh my gosh. It's really close. And now I'm gonna sit there because I'm scared. Because I know later will be snakes. Okay. I'm just gonna sit here. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Yes, I like snacks. Okay, I know it's gonna be a sandwich and someone will get poisoned. I mean, not poisoned, allergic. And we need to find her bag quick. Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. Oh, sandwiches. Thank you very much, crew members. I don't really know if I'm the one who's allergic. I don't know if somebody else is allergic. But let's go and look. Can I have another one, please? Please? Can I have another one? I think she's put. Oh no. Wait, find her bag. Find her bag. Find her bag. Big bag. Quick. Find her bag. Riri, you're not gonna die. Oh no, Riri. I found it! Oh god, that was so confusing. Like, phew, that was a close one. Yeah, it was really close of you dying, Riri. So I'm just gonna stay here because I'm scared. Good afternoon to all passengers. Inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back and take a nap and enjoy the ride. I won't sit back because I am looking at these 2 restrooms and the other 2 restrooms over there because I know there's gonna be snakes later, Captain. I know you're the monster. Never a lover. A lover. Oh my gosh. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Of course, we do have a few hours to go, guys. Because I know that's the part of the story. Okay, I'm so scared. I'm crying with dives. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm a novice. It appears to we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Dot, 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 dot. Oh my gosh, guys. Run for your lives. I don't know where the open restroom is going to be. You will not survive. Oh, yes, we will. Are those snakes? Guys, I think I'm lagging. I'm looking at the restroom over there. Why can't I look at it? Like I'm scared. And stuff like that, guys. I know there's gonna be snakes everywhere. Oh, yes, I did it! Okay. Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly. We will be safer there. Girl, come on, Riri. You're gonna die, Riri. Riri, I don't want to be alone here. I don't want to be alone. Riri. Riri. Quick, Riri. 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 No. No, Riri. Riri died, I think. No, Riri. Oh no, I'm the only survivor, guys. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Okay, I'm alone, guys. Help me! I'm alone. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm alone. I'm just gonna wash my hands because there's gonna be coronavirus. And there's black. Why is there black in the window? Is it super duper 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 night outside? Why is there no clouds? Ow. Oh my gosh, my head. My head. Okay, good. We're teleporting. Good, we're teleporting. Because my head is suddenly stuck in the wall. Okay, I'm alone. I'm alone. Power is back up. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. And all gonna. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Creepy deeby deeby. Creepy deeby deeby. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. That's the good news. The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is that we've losing significant amount of oxygen. Are you serious, Captain? How could this be happening in a plane? Okay. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so specifically creepy. Okay, we can do this, guys. We can survive. The mask will keep you safe until stabilize oxygen levels. Okay. It's like coronavirus in a plane. Okay, let's go look on the bags. I want to look at my bags. Oh no, guys. No. A bomb, a bomb, a bomb, a bomb. Okay, no. I think I'm gonna cut the blue wing. Guys, I don't know, guys. Tell me down in the comments down below what I should cut. Because, guys, I don't know what to cut. Calm down, everyone. Okay, guys. Looks very much. Let's go. Let's go. I found a pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut? Blue, definitely blue. Guys, if I die, have no Robux. Yes! I did it! Oh, I did it! I survived! Okay. Google stuff. Okay, what now? I forgot the story a little bit. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. Okay, I think they're in this room. Oh yeah, I see them. I found them! They are unconscious. We need to alert the captain. Quickly, get to the captain room. Okay, I'm gonna go to the captain room. We need a code. Okay, let's go back. It's locked. Something is happening in there. Captain might be in trouble, yeah. I know it's gonna be in trouble. A monster is gonna come there. Door needs a code. If you find it, oh, I found the code. Found it. Oh, that's good. I found the code, guys. Roblox is a harder garter barter. It's a monster! Climb, climb, climb. Climb, climb, climb. Climb, 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 climb. Climb, climb. Climb, climb. I'm scared of you, monster. Get away from me. You'll pay for what you've done. What have I pay for you? You think you are here on accident? But you're not. What do you mean you're not? I just wanted a flight. I bought you here. All of it. It's only one of me. Haven't you seen? No one is behind my back. That's not possible. Duh. Oh no, I have to press all the buttons. It is. And now, it is time to die. See you in afterlife. Ow. No, I'm gonna press all the buttons. But first, let's see all the, speaking. Okay, the plane is falling. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Press all the buttons and find the autopilot button. Because I don't know where's the autopilot button is. So I'm just gonna randomly click. 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 What if it's here? Okay guys, we're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die. We're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die. Blah. I'm clicking. Guys, I'm gonna die. 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 I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Woos! Hose! Give me a hose, please. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it right. Find it right. Guys, I'm running out of time. I found it! Oh, that was really, really stressful. In all of my entire story life that I found in God. Whew, we did it. We saved the plane. Guys, that was so stressful. It's been a very crazy flight. Just want to be home in Philippines. Because I really live in Philippines, guys, if you just don't know, guys. Oh. Where's my seat? Where's my beautiful seat? Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Found it. Found the emergency phone. Found the emergency phone. I can find everything here, but the autopilot button. Hello. We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry. We will get you home in no time. I don't trust this girl. Is everyone is okay? Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we tracked your location and now we are taking control. Hello? There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat beside the captain. It's me because there's no one here. Let's pretend I'm racing with someone because I always want to be in the co-pilot. Let's go. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, everyone, I got this. There's no everyone here. Okay, I got this. That's what to be because I am alone. We died. It's the monster again, right? It's the monster. Oh no, it's back. How are you still alive, Luxury 123? I'm okay. I killed all of your friends. But you, there is something about you. Me? Your energy does not let me kill you. How? Why? I'm not going anywhere with you, monster. Duh, he's so creepy, guys. I'm the chosen one. I will come back for you. Is it victory? Or is it, I can't believe I was the only survivor. Victory! Yes, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And bye-bye, guys. Love you all.